Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today I'm gonna show you 3 egg surprises. So here we have 1 egg from Kung Fu Panda 2, 1 egg from Cars, and 1 egg from Toy Story. Let's start with the Kung Fu Panda egg. This is a plastic egg. And inside we have a little toy. Oh, that's great. We got Master Shifu. We also have some candy and 1 sticker. Let's open the toy. This Shifu is very cute, all made of plastic and painted with no stickers. We also have a little flyer of the movie. Now we're gonna open the Toy Story egg. And here we have some jelly beans, a miniature of Slinky, very cute, also all painted with no stickers, and a little flyer with the other Toy Story toys. Now our last egg is from the movie Cars. And, oh, this is nice. We have Sarge. Very cute plastic car. Painted with no stickers. This is a sticker of Lightning McQueen. And a little flyer with the other toys. And jelly beans. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more toys right here on Disney Collector.